Hi, Storm. Hi. Goodies coming up. Yup. We're going to Hugo part 2. Hugo part 2. Come, build up, build up, build up. Everyone come. This is a testimony of Hugo part 2. Dawn and Tanya and Hugo now. Everyone join. Join, let me build it up. Build it up. Everyone come. We're having Hugo part 2. 2. Friends and family night. Up, everyone join. Let us bring her down. Bring her down, yeah? We're going to bring her down. Yes, up, up, up. Marie Fabulous, we're going down. Miss Bev want to come and speak. Tanya is going to talk. Rollin is going to talk. Yep. We're going to bring her down. Rollin is going to speak for the first time. Tanya is going to speak. Miss Bev is going to speak. Everyone join the live. Build it up, build it up. Each one tell one, go call Puss. Yep. Yep. No fake page is not invited. Anybody see a fake page, tell me. Bring her down. Yes, Miss Bev, hold on. Not yet, Miss Bev. Don't talk. We're building up. We're building it up, Miss Bev. Building it up. Yes, Hugo. Yeah, Hugo, monsieur. Building up, building up, building up. Yep. Yep. Let them come. Hugo is coming. Miss Bev is coming. Rollin is going to... Yes. Speak your mind, Rollin. Yes. Puss, where are you? We're going to bring you down now. We're bringing you down. 50 or more people. Hugo and Rollin is going to talk. Yes. Hugo is going to apologize to his brother-in-law tonight on my page. Yes, yes, yes. Yup. Yeah, I'm waiting for Tanya. Don't worry. Yup. 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 Wanna come? Hugo is going to talk to his brother-in-law, Rollin, for the first time in 3 years. Yes. Yes. Come on, everyone. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're going to bring her down. Rollin is going to bring her down. Uh-huh. Yes. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Hugo is coming on to speak with his brother-in-law for the first time. Become a childhood friend. Oh, yeah, popcorn. We're going to get the popcorn ready. And the champagne soda. Yup. 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 Yep. Storm, you see anybody we're not supposed to be here, tell me, you know. Because we will go over on our private page. Yep, on the private live, we alone. Yep. Ah, Sexy Rika. Yeah. Everyone. Rollin is going to talk 50 or more. Yes, Miss Bev, I see you. Yes, Christopher, I see you. Yep. Yep, Marie Fabulous. That's the family. Uh-huh. 50 or more people, then Tanya strip in. You come up. I'm still here. Yes, Rollin and his brother-in-law, his mother-in-law, his mother is coming on. Hugo's mom, Rollin, Hugo, Tanya. This is a private live, and we're going to bring it out to you guys right here. Right here, all the blogger, all the chagger, all the dagger. Come on. Oh, Tanya is soon be here. She's on hold. Yes. Yes, bring them down. Yeah, man, come talk up the things about a good mouth, Rollin, because you never talk yet. If you can't talk, your mouse can't talk too. Yeah, man. We're going to bring them down rallying tonight. And my husband will be coming to the line too. We're going to bring it down. Bring it down. My husband said, want to talk out time. Good mouth. Yeah. So the live today is people who don't trouble people is going to talk on the live to show what you niggers and you bitches did to them. Come on, popcorn night. 50 or more, yeah? Tanya, not yet. Don't bring in Tanya yet. I see you, Miss Bev, yes? I see you, Christopher. Yes, Hugo girlfriend, I see you. Uh-huh. Yes, I sooner judgment. Ju- and Marie, and oh, you see the fake people, them just tell me, because any of them company tonight, yeah, we'll go over on our private page. Our private live where nobody no know. But me and my friend them, you understand? Yes, my love. Yes, my love. Storm, you saying that them yet? Yeah? Oh, you not see none yet. All right. Anytime you say none of the waste them, you tell me. Maria see any? Maria say yes. Tanya, hold on there. No, Storm no see them. Maria no know them like Storm. No, not yet. And all them come over here, we go in our good page. Yup. Da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Them no come, alright? It's beginning now. It's beginning 30 a day we have people. Hey hey. Whoa, yeah, so nice. Post rallying I gonna burn your blood clot down tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. You want to come over the private page? Yeah? Yep. And you will see that we are going to our private. Everyone is here. I was on a Jamaica call. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Storm. How it is? You see any of the imbeciles them on it? Oh, blood clot. Tanya rally that rolling. Yeah? Yeah? Yes?
Ma, good night, my auntie, my nice auntie. What's
Who
up?
are running boss it up like oh if my mommy are coming and stuck you go talk. We're gonna rub out them tonight. Stucky say him never talk it. Him want to talk now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody's gonna talk tonight. All who never join the live. Come on. Yeah, yeah. And that you know one now. Now get it tonight. I don't love the pan people, man. I don't love the pan people. Yes, Stucky, hold on. We are build it up, Stucky. We are build it up.
Up, Storm, sister.
Yeah?
Chris, come over the live. Come over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Chris want talk first?
No, I tell him to come over.
Okay. Yep.
I'm upset. Did I catch you me there at work all day and night, so I miss.
So we're going to get Chris the first piece or not? We're building up. Yeah, you go
She
to
don't
see you.
want, I don't know why she don't go on and leave her family alone like
Yeah.
you do much sweat. Hey girl, my calling pan you so for bring you down wicked. Cause
Yeah.
I know, cause I make sure tell him say, we not depend that. Go sit down, girl. Cause you provoke me, you know, you piss me the fuck off, you know. You chat too much. You chat too much, man. Go torment your own blood clot family. You not shame.
And you will see
Don't
them
you woman you
company
not
will go in our
shame.
private page. Suki, you see any of them?
Don't. I don't want to be wicked like you, you know.
And the only
I just
saying
want
that
to
they will
move
go in our
on.
private life with Hugo and Stucky and rallying. The man them
I
want to
just want to
see.
move on with my life. My family are here. I'm in a dep on the back and forth thing with you. Totally, I'm not on it. I'm being honest. I'm not on it
Where the
at all.
Tanya? We have 60 people. Stand, you see them over here?
They're on it. They're fucking on it. Remember, say them come like a fly upon blood clot shit. Them come like a maggot pan dead body, you know. Remember, say maggot can't leave dead body, you know.
All
'Cause
them
we are
come
dead
over
body
here.
everywhere we dead them they
And the
over here
dirty
with
can
it.
demands a tape for show. We're going our private page. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Christopher, me see you. Yes. We have almost 70 people. Them they are. All right, Sam. Them they are. Tanya.
Mm-hmm.
Tanya.
Yeah, auntie.
What made the man them talk from a private page? I'm crawling and Stucky first. Come over the private page. Everyone in my team. Let's go over to the private page. Where's the Sam? Yes, I know.
Look how we look up. Look how we look up. Just look up. Cause me sleep today all day and rest. And me say, shall come send check, but if him come back on live, big pussy can, let me tell you something. I am not like you, and I'm not here to prove a point. I am here to say, let go with family. Turn with loose, man. Gwan, man.
Shall hear the man
I
them
am
a reason now. Wanna
I
call
am
the
not
man
like
them name.
you.
Yeah.
I can be like you. I can bring him on here for you, cause no. You gonna need to heal. You gonna need to have peace. The man have peace in him life. Me not pay nobody. The man have him woman. Me not have to pay the girl. The girl come by to come talk already. I'm not like you. You're not me clearly say nah blood color we take control over you go.
Yeah,
You
we
now have
control
no
now. Yeah.
control.
So the
You now
girl
have no
there, Tanya,
control
your
over him.
sister-in-law, they should join it already. Let me go
Yeah,
for
Mr.
watch it.
R.
Yeah. Big up
Yeah.
yourself, sister-in-law. Me not tell a lie if you ever want to look a family them. But go check your
She
bank account,
nice, she
think you're your
beautiful. I don't
family.
need to, I don't need, all I say, every day me go post a picture of my brother and show stage, from where he was become to where he is.
Yeah.
Let go the youth, no? You have children. Let go
Tanya,
the people them picking, no man.
Tanya. Him go pick up the
Yeah,
suitcase where you
auntie.
send already. Him go pick it up already.
Yeah, I'm get it
Blood
everything.
clot. You go, your boss no blood clot. Him get it already.
Yeah.
Go there, you
I must say
go.
my cousin go down, you know, and bring it
Yes,
down
that
for
means
me.
him get it. Eh. Eh.
Let go the youth, man, mighty God, man. Make the man heal with him family, man. You know, tired, yeah, poop on a shit on the live one time.
Big up
Your body
yourself,
run
Regina.
down. Your body run
You go get
down.
him suitcase this morning and him a come talk, my love. Him dash every clothes, Tanya same for dash every clothes, my love. From boxers to shoes to slippers.
That woman I will be a walker.
Yeah.
Woman who will be the little boy, tie him up, wrap him up, put him down and now him turn me. Him has broken, man. Love my family, man.
Yep.
Yeah. You sit down every blood clot there. For much dear now, blessing. Low turn the little boy loose, man. I can be malicious like you and bring man pan here for say some like if you keep on pushing me, I gonna bring him pan here so come bring you down the right
And
way. You better
Tanya,
go
you know, same go test
hold
him eye
on,
for me.
man.
Him get the glasses.
And get everything. Get him new phone, him get
Blood
everything.
clot, you want kill them now. Go there, you go. Fuck some girl. Sorry, my girl. Sorry, my sister-in-law. Sorry. Tanya.
Oh the man. Lord the man, mighty God. Wanna dookie breed you and give the ugly spin them in now. Where you go look for Duke?
Tanya.
Yeah.
The girl just text me. She said,
Don't black off my life right
the
now.
girl just
Are
text
you
me,
gonna ban
Tanya.
from out here? You're
Tanya.
banned, don't come back.
Tanya.
Yeah.
Your sister-in-law's a company next page. You go and show you one suit to him put on. So we can go for the next
We
page.
soon go over the private page. Me just want to talk lick over here so
All
lick.
right, talk liquor first.
We soon go over there. No, me here. The woman now, And you see these wicked people, who are entertain this blood clot woman. You see who we are entertaining her with our fuckeries. You
Like Gwan
understand? Cause
Master.
fuckeries.
Like Crocus Bag Face Gwan Master.
Fuckeries, una parents, you know, man. Una family, you know.
Una great
Who
great
would
great
have sit down and
grandma.
feel? Alright, put me aside. You go down done none of uno nothing. You go have it done none of uno. We are entertaining this woman. You know how much thing that you go through. I told we not talk 3/4 of the things them come and say. Make we let it go. Make we let it go. We don't want to come alive. We don't need no sympathy for money, you know. We don't need no
Well,
sympathy.
Tanya,
Cause we
him the
know.
best already. You send him in clothes, you tell him for dash everything,
I
you
know
send him
for
go
we.
kill
Hi Chris.
ISIS.
I had Chris to me. We don't need no sympathy.
Where Chris
From
there?
none of uno.
Where Chris there?
Chris
Oh, me
famous.
see it, me see
Chris
it.
famous.
Me see him.
Yeah? But uno have to do range mad wicked woman. Too much tea
Come in,
now,
Mr.
lady me
Tia, Lord,
sleep
famous.
all day.
When you get to the good things, them, you look good, famous. You look good.
Gwan.
Big up
I
yourself
go on,
straight.
Chris.
Yeah, man.
Woman just, you know, we don't want to do this. We don't want to get up and dip on live. I try to prove nothing with this woman. You understand? There is nothing else to prove. Nothing him come
So,
clear
Chris,
up.
when you take off your hat for and go like you're so pretty, you're so cute, and just take off your hat and put on your hat, so. Eh?
Love my answer, brother. Love my answer, God. My brother, them nice, man. Them nice. My mother produced. You could blood clot cross our border. You could. We don't get it. You know, so when they start your problem with me just go to poop and chop you off. Me just chop you off. Me not give no time, no day. Me just chop you off and block you and cement you from all angle. Come in now, entertain you. Where you thinking they're going? They're going to pour more house and turn one and pour more upside down. Where you turn be sure half of you upside down?
Mama,
Hell
talk
fucking
now.
no. You couldn't. And then some of you hurt you. It hurt you that not one. We family big. We have a much cousin, uncle, auntie, and not one away. Entertain this entity. We no look on the germs collector. You understand it? Hurt her, it born her out. She could come and come down our family yard. And she got Maxi because Maxi don't know where. She can't go Maxi because my auntie a Christian, you know. But if she go the real blood clot family yard, what beat the show like Jesus Christ. What beat she would have get? Huh? What a walk, man, lady, man. Turn we loose, man. Let go, man. You got not coming back.
Him
Is
couldn't go
not.
come back after him get him nice suitcase of clothes and him good things them from you. And him and money and him got to look about himself. Him couldn't come back.
All right, tell me that the system did that call me. Come in tired. You want some? Burger and chips. I say, can I have some? Why I'm sleep all day today? Go for the kid and sleep like.
What a woman,
Me
what a
just
woman
sleep.
I go with?
Things, Christopher. Oh, you go have to come back for life, come this way. And you go have to this that. Oh, me pay the girl. Me pay the girl when I to come take picture with him. Why would I pay somebody to take picture? You know, I have more picture. I have picture can make you art.
Yo,
Rip out.
I'll be and some hitting my mother.
I wear this man. Crucify, should I you Puss get?
Eh?
Should I you Puss get? Come and know you want to stay 5 days.
I want Puss. I leave it stay one day. I leave it look for
You're crazy. Which one I want to look for and post? I be a nice girl, Christopher Derrick. If I want to post. And I told people, she's not Hugo type. She tricked the boy with promises, fake promises of going
Who you?
Germany.
That one that was say no IG. Let me see who
Tell
you.
them
No
brother
IG germs. Tanya, you know who that?
Wait there.
Can them get black, you know?
most would
Black them. It's sad. Move your dirty blood clot, but me
All
refuse
right,
to
you not
move.
gonna
But then
answer him
she
or
over there,
she.
so.
Black can
Go
get
look how
black
much here
already.
she look how much here we come live and we gone our way. That come move
That's
it.
how.
Hey, pussy, when you just sit down over here, start listen. Cause when I get blood clot black.
As them
Me
cut
move
them
out with
get
my
black.
nice blood clot life. And what the fuck would it feel like? Remember, I have a man in my bed, you know, me, I'm a man there, so no, you know. You understand? Me no man less, you know. But me never gonna move on with my life unless me take the brother blood clot away from the germs collector. How it go to vex square? Oh the vex, sit down about it. Where?
Taste the chicken and dash it way. Let you move and go.
I push she have for no ocean for right. I can read right, but she never.
Carrot, yeah. And then me check carrot on our page, a fake page.
So sorry, she never write it good like
She never
that. I
approach the
divert it
thing
to
good.
post.
Me take a look
The
on her
woman,
over back.
the woman they on live for our cut before, right? And she has said, okay, Hugo should have apologized and go on. But are you going? Are you fucking going? And 3 years you're there for my family lady. And you won't move on with your life. Stop talking about Hugo used to give you 2 grand a week or what? And that you take where Hugo money where the prison save for him. So him can go Jamaica and start a life and do you take the youth money and say, and it you use and move, the money you use and move. You understand? When you find out same had the look of money, that's when you start make problem with me and my brother, I know. And you get the money and you still a make problem. Like you don't have no peace, lady. Ugly woman. The ugliest woman in the world. You don't know it over life. You love to talk about a judgment. You nah. Come back in my brother life. Him don't want you. Him never want you. You're not
All
his
right, see my
time.
hand black the girl like Tanya. My hand black her.
Okay. Okay.
Looking for her friend. You see my hand black her? She's back.
Me not see she come up yet. Go sit
Who
down,
come up?
woman.
One
Lego,
friend
you're
in
the
my name.
life.
Tifa.
The you want to heal for fuck's sake, man. Leave him alone, man. Leave him alone. Him have him look a girlfriend. Him get a look a job. If he leave him alone, you try to kill him. You bomb your house. You send police like Jesus Christ. I never. And then uno over there we are at this dirty woman. Uno over there we are entertain her. See all you blood clot
You come
nasty
back, right,
Nicole.
Tifa?
Oh yeah. You say
Yeah.
you nasty,
You
nasty
apologize,
Nicole.
girl. You apologize about that.
She never write the sentence good. She
Yeah.
never say, you know what? You understand? That's why. Cause them say we can't read, but we can read.
Yeah,
But
Tifa
laugh off of
Logie.
them.
It triple. Okay, all right?
She said, okay, yes, Auntie Dan.
Yeah.
Like, you get a good man. You could have make life. You and Hugo, as ugly as it is, but probably him have a fetish for ugly bald woman like you. You understand? Ooh,
Tanya.
we cannot say.
Tanya. Miss
Yeah.
Pauletta said, I don't know if this share say, but she said Dan and Tanya do it now. That means we'll go over in the family page.
We still go over there, man. We still go over there, man. Until us all a piece, man. We still go over there now, man. We don't hear the woman attack. We the woman attack and attack and attack. You understand? But all of come off. Me know you're not beard. How much you're not beard. How much do you know? You don't beard. Go beard, man. Go brush your teeth.
I saw the
Tifa,
man.
at the front of your house, that.
I see the man happy, man. I see the
Yeah.
man happy.
Nice.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Boy, you look nice, my brother. Well clean, well clean.
Yeah, man,
You
I
look
take care of
nice.
myself. God,
Me know
Why would
you.
have help
God
you
is
go
good.
right to the end and start? Bring him back together. Bring him right back together.
Ada, ada we are do, man. That we are do.
Take care, man.
We're
You
in a
know?
David Green. Yeah, David Green 2021 about Tanya. You talk too much, give somebody else a next chance. Hugo girlfriend wants to talk. And we are going to the private page. And Christopher going to the party. So we're going over on our privacy.
Alarm laugh off a fake page, you know. No go there. When you think people there for entertain, you know, go man.
All right, you know. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, do what I do tomorrow. Tell everybody tomorrow and blessings, yeah?
All
All
right, my
right, that's
brother. Go
what
and
we're
go
going to do.
enjoy.
Because we are going to the privacy
Yeah, go
now.
and go enjoy yourself.
Big up yourself, my brother. Straight love, straight love. We are
All
going to the
right, big up
privacy
everybody,
now.
yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Tanya, we are going to the privacy car. You go girl want come talk to you. We are going to privacy. Bye.
All right, bye.